This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about what to look for when you're buying a big food coloring set. So if you're just getting into making cakes and decorative sweet items like other pastries, and you're looking for a good food coloring to get, I would recommend starting with a liquid gel, which is what all these are, and they come in a wide variety of sizes. So if you're just getting started, sometimes I say buy the smaller sets. That way you can try out the small sizes of various colors, see what you like, and you can always buy larger sizes later, and there's actually an intermediate that I don't have, of the ones that you really like to replace the ones that you use the most frequently. And what you're looking for is a nice rainbow of colors, right? So think a lot of those primary and secondary colors. Your primaries would be red, yellow, and blue, secondaries being purple, orange, and green, and then additional things like brown and black. In food coloring, brown is one thing that you can't mix the way you do in paint, and black is just something that you also have to buy. There are some colors like purples too, where normally in paint you could mix a purple by just mixing red or blue. And I've been doing this for well over a decade and a half, and I've never had success doing that. It always comes out this weird kind of grapey shade, and it's just better to buy the purple. So having a set that has a nice variety and mix of colors is going to serve you really well, especially if you're just starting. And look for some things like some pastel or other shades of those colors. So think things that have light pinks, blues, greens, and also more complicated colors. Like you might see things like navy blue, pistachio, avocado, things that might be a little more difficult for you to mix those tones if you're just getting started. And the other thing I would look for are some brights. One thing that you can't really mix are the neon intense colors, right? You're going to want to actually buy those. So if you're doing a lot of things, especially for kids or teens, and you need those really bright electric colors, those are something you also want to get included in your kit. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.